This is what we're fixing right now. I need to get some videos of my car doing pulls because I don't have any, and I don't have any on the channel. So I'm gonna go put the bumper back on the car, even though it's broken. It's gonna be temporary, and we're gonna go do some pulls. Oh, let's see. There it is. You can get videos for your car.
Like what?
I don't know.
When can I want to get my car detailed?
Alright, so the bumper is on-ish. I have no grill because the grill is murked. It got destroyed when the bumper came off. Not really gonna get into how that happened. I'll just tell you that it wasn't me, and my bumper broke and my grill's broken, so I have to get both of those new again. Anyway, gonna do a quick zip tie here, a quick zip tie here. We're not gonna, mount it anywhere else. That should do the trick for the videos. Just trying to make it look pretty on camera, pretty much, because it's broken. It's broken. So, little ghetto with the zip ties. Quick duct tape on the reservoir because I don't have a cap. Just gonna throw the plate on. It hasn't snowed at all this winter, so this, winter beater, it's been good, but, it could have been jiffing the hatch this whole time. Oh well, I've been working on it, so. Anyways, we're gonna pull it out the garage now. Just gotta move this stuff out of the way so I can get the car out of here. And we're gonna go to the spot and do some pulls, launches. I wanna bang a couple gears, Let's drive it. Alright, we're out here at the spot. Sorry if there's a bit of wind noise. It's kind of windy out. I don't know how the camera's gonna pick it up, but we got a nice dead end here and some nice straight roads for us to smash a couple gears. I'm probably only gonna do it 1 or 2 times. Just I haven't really driven the car hard in a bit, so kind of feeling like it. I'm gonna be honest, the road here is a little bit slick. That plus my tires already being pretty, actually they're not bad, but like they're 195s, they're not that grippy, so I have a feeling I'm just going to be lighting up at least first and second. Probably going to do a 1, 2, 3, let off, turn around, come back. Let's go do some hits. Alright, so that was the first hit. Like I said, as you saw, I barely went anywhere off the launch because it was just spinning in this gravel area. So I'm going to do one more hit. This time I'm going to roll past the camera in first and then just hit it. Go 1, 2, 3 again. Well, that was fun, I guess. Just did a couple pulls. I kind of feel like washing the car now, so let's go wash the car, and then I'm gonna get food, and we'll end the video after the car's clean. One thing I noticed is sometimes at stop signs or stoplights, or pretty much whenever the car's stopped and idling, if I'm cruising around, there you go. The idle will surge a little, and then drop back to normal. I feel like the idle air control valve just needs cleaning, so I'm gonna have to take a look at that when I get the chance. All right, guys. So I mean, so it wasn't a real wash, you know. I didn't get to wipe it down or nothing like that. But all the garage dirt and dust from just sitting in the garage for a couple months has really been getting on my nerves. So, you know, I felt like rinsing it down. But damn, she looks good right now. Alright, so that's gonna be it for this video. I know it was a short one. We just did a couple pulls and, you know, I washed the car and it looks damn good behind me. But gonna end it off here. You guys are killing it with all of the likes, so just keep liking the videos. If you're watching this right now and you're here at the end of it, make sure you like it if you haven't already. And subscribe, please. Thank you. And I'll be back for more. Take it easy.